How to place a delivery order on Wendy's website. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open wendys.com and log into your account. Here, click on View Our Menu at the top. After you've clicked on View Our Menu at the top, it will lead you to this page. Here, select what you want to order. After you've selected what you want to order from their menu, it will lead you to this page. Select the product here, as there are variations. After you've clicked on here, press on Start an Order at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on Start an Order at the bottom right corner of your screen, it will lead you to this page. Here, click on Start Delivery Order. After you've clicked on Start Delivery Order, it will lead you to this page. In here, simply scroll down. After you scroll down, click on Order Now. After you click on Order Now in here, press on Continue as leaving Wendy's website. Then it will lead you to this page. Here, add your delivery address and start order. This is how to place a delivery order on Wendy's website. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.